And it was that goddamn.
That's how you shut it up?
How you shut it up? Will you shut the fuck up? Better?
Yeah.
Beep, 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 beep. Shut up!
Come on, don't mess with it.
Damn it! I didn't have to stay this goddamn food. Move that way. Well, that's cooking. We're gonna assemble. We're gonna take chicken. Chop. Piece of Swiss cheese. Ain't nothing better for your lips than the Swiss. There's a sandwich. Don't touch.
I was gonna go film.
Ah, goddamn! Shut the fuck up!
They're all going off now.
Stop it! Smoke alarm's going off. Look what you did. Well,
We gotta open the door, man.
you dumbass! Shut the fuck up!
It's trying to save your life.
Shut the fuck up! That goddamn thing, man, starting to piss
It's
me off.
trying to save your
Every
life.
time I fucking cook, the goddamn thing goes off. Nobody's got goddamn $50 fucking dollars to put in a goddamn burger. Goddamn shut the fuck up!
Oh!